Hi, it's Scott with Let's Keep It Simple, and today I'm going to be showing you how to fix this warning error. Remote host identification has changed when SSHing into your Apple TV. The fix is very simple. You just go into terminal and type open.ssh. Then you will find this known host file and you will put it in your trash. Empty out the trash. And open up terminal and re-SSH into your Apple TV and follow the prompt. Type yes, and it'll go back to the default password of Alpine, so I encourage you to change that. Well, I hope you found this video helpful. For more updates regarding the Apple TV, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.